Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unfollow users on Twitter. So watch this video till the end. First, open your Twitter app. Then tap on Profile that is on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Following that is under your username. Choose the username you want to unfollow and tap on Following option to unfollow. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Unfollow. So that is how you unfollow users on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.